Hankook Tires. Hankook Tires is a leading global tire supplier, originating in South Korea in 1941. The company has gained worldwide recognition for its innovative technology and high-quality products. Hankook Tires serves a wide range of vehicles, including automobiles, SUVs, trucks, and buses. Their tires are designed for superior performance, safety, and longevity. This is achieved through a strong commitment to research and development. They offer a variety of tire options, including summer, winter, and all-season tires. Each type delivers excellent value for money. Prices typically range from $60 to $200 per tire, depending on size and type. For a regular passenger vehicle, a typical set of all-season tires can cost between $80 and $120. More advanced or performance-oriented tires can reach up to $200. This pricing strategy makes Hankook Tires accessible to a broad audience while maintaining high quality. With a focus on innovation and affordability, Hankook Tires continues to meet the needs of drivers worldwide. Doppelmayr Garaventa. Doppelmayr Garaventa is a global leader in ropeways, cable cars, and ski lifts. The company was formed in 2002 through the merger of Austria's Doppelmayr and Switzerland's Garaventa AG. Specializing in innovative mobility solutions, they serve ski resorts, urban areas, and tourist attractions. With over 15,400 installations across 96 countries, Doppelmayr Garaventa has made a significant impact on the transportation industry. One of the key advantages of their ropeway systems is cost efficiency. While pricing varies based on the unique nature of each project, these systems typically cost between 1/3 and 2/3 of traditional transportation methods. In 2022 and 2023, the company reported impressive sales of $946 million. A notable achievement includes the construction of 4 new ropeways, featuring one of the world's steepest aerial tramways located on the Schildhorn. This project has a total order volume of 45 million Swiss francs. Doppelmayr Garaventa continues to innovate and lead the way in modern transportation solutions, enhancing mobility for people around the world. Blizwheel Electric Roller-skates. The Blizwheel Electric Roller-skates are a game-changing innovation, designed for both urban commuting and fun. These foldable, ultra-portable skates offer a futuristic way to move through the city with ease. Each skate weighs just around 7 pounds, making them lightweight and easy to carry when not in use. With their sleek design, you can simply fold them up and store them conveniently. Powered by an electric motor, these skates can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, 24 km per hour, and offer a range of about 15 miles, 24 km, per charge, depending on the model. The built-in battery charges via a standard outlet and also features regenerative braking, enhancing efficiency. Blizwheel skates are controlled with a handheld remote, giving you full control over acceleration and braking. This makes riding easy and intuitive. Safety is a key focus. The skates come with non-slip footplates and are built with strong, durable materials to ensure a safe ride every time. Carve Walking Bike. A fun way to exercise. Are you looking for a fun way to stay active? Meet the Carve Walking Bike. This unique bike stands out because it doesn't have a rear wheel. Instead, it uses a gear-driven mechanism that walks as you pedal. At the back, the bike has 4 legs that move forward, imitating the motion of walking. This innovative design replaces the traditional rear wheel with a metal skeleton, and as the legs flex and extend, it feels like the bike itself is walking. The Carve Walking Bike is made of over 400 handmade parts. It took 7 months to develop, with assembling just the rods taking 3 full days. With this bike, you can experience a fun and exciting way to get fit. It's perfect for those who want something different and original. The Carve Walking Bike combines the thrill of cycling with the natural motion of walking. If you're ready for a workout that stands out, this is the bike for you. Chingu Science Fiction Museum. The Chingu Science Fiction Museum is a cutting-edge cultural institution located in Chingu, China. It was created to celebrate the connection between science, technology, and speculative fiction, showcasing the city's deepening relationship with global science fiction culture. The museum gained international attention when it hosted the 81st World Science Fiction Convention, Worldcon, in 2023, a milestone event that highlighted Chingu's growing influence in the realms of science fiction and innovation. Designed by Zaha Hadid Architects, the museum itself is an architectural masterpiece. Its futuristic design reflects the forward-thinking themes celebrated within its walls. Early Rider Super Vileo. The Early Rider Super Vileo is a groundbreaking bike designed for toddlers aged 10 to 24 months. It's built to support early childhood development by enhancing balance and coordination. One of its key features is the adjustable seat, which allows the bike to grow with your child. It also has a 15mm foam layer for added comfort and a low seating position, giving young children the confidence to explore their surroundings with ease. Weighing just under 3 kilograms, this lightweight bike is far easier to manage than a stroller. It provides a practical and fun alternative for both parents and toddlers. The Super Vileo is perfect for families who want to encourage mobility and independence in their little ones from an early age.
Air Yacht V2, a new era in luxury travel. The Air Yacht V2 by Lazzarini Design Studio blends luxury and futuristic design, creating a whole new way to travel by air and sea. This incredible vessel is both a yacht and an airship, offering the elegance of a super yacht with the freedom to fly. Powered by 2 helium-filled balloons, the Air Yacht V2 can float through the skies or glide over the water, giving travelers a one-of-a-kind experience. With spacious living areas, cutting-edge tech, and a sleek, modern look, it's truly a floating palace for the wealthy. Though the price hasn't been revealed, it's clear that the Air Yacht V2 is built for those who seek the ultimate in luxury and innovation. It's not just a way to get from place to place. It's a bold symbol of unmatched sophistication.
Kinner Velomobile. The Kinner Velomobile is a modern, pedal-powered vehicle designed for efficient and eco-friendly transportation. Velomobiles are enclosed bicycles, providing protection from the weather and excellent aerodynamics. This makes them perfect for commuting or longer rides. The Kinner Velomobile stands out with its sleek design and lightweight construction. It's built with user-friendly features to make your ride as smooth as possible. One of the key highlights is its electric assist motor. This feature combines manual pedaling with electric power. Riders can easily tackle longer distances or hilly terrains without much effort. The streamlined body of the Kinner Velomobile helps reduce air resistance, boosting your speed. It's a practical alternative to traditional bikes, especially for those who want a greener and more efficient way to get around. Floating Hotel Pearl Suites. The Floating Hotel Pearl Suites is an innovative concept, combining luxury with sustainability. It allows guests to immerse themselves in stunning water-based environments while enjoying a high-end experience. Each suite offers spacious bedrooms, private bathrooms, and floor-to-ceiling windows. These windows provide breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding water and landscape. It's the perfect way to wake up to the beauty of nature. The hotel is eco-friendly, equipped with solar panels for energy and water recycling systems. This makes it a sustainable travel option for those seeking luxury with minimal environmental impact. The suites are anchored in calm, beautiful waters, giving guests direct access to exciting activities. You can snorkel, kayak, or explore the underwater world right from your suite. Some even have glass floors, allowing you to watch marine life swim beneath you. One unique feature is the mobility of the Pearl Suites. They can move between scenic locations, offering a fresh view and experience at each stop. Microsoft HoloLens 2. The Microsoft HoloLens 2 introduces a new era of mixed reality technology. It seamlessly blends the physical and digital worlds, bringing holograms into our everyday lives. With its cutting-edge design and advanced features, HoloLens 2 transforms how we interact with information and collaborate. From immersive gaming to high-tech industrial applications, it allows users to visualize, create, and engage with digital content in entirely new ways. Imagine exploring the vast potential of the HoloLens 2 as it reshapes industries, boosts productivity, and inspires creativity. This technology helps people unlock new levels of innovation and efficiency. Experience the future of computing with Microsoft HoloLens 2, where the line between imagination and reality fades away. Join us on this journey to discover how HoloLens 2 is revolutionizing the way we see and experience our world. Mars Rover. The Mars Rover is an advanced robotic explorer designed to travel across the surface of Mars and collect scientific data. Built by space agencies like NASA, it operates autonomously, navigating the rugged and rocky terrain of the Red Planet. Equipped with high-tech instruments such as high-resolution cameras, spectrometers, and drills, the Mars Rover analyzes the planet's soil, rocks, and atmosphere. It searches for clues about Mars' past, including the possibility of past or present life. The rover is engineered to withstand Mars' harsh conditions, from freezing temperatures to massive dust storms. Depending on the mission, it may be powered by solar panels or a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, RTG, which ensures it has energy for long-term exploration. A robotic arm allows the rover to collect and analyze samples directly from the Martian surface. Communication with Earth is made possible through high-gain antennas, which send data to orbiters that relay the information back to scientists. Avenir Tectus. The Avenir Tectus redefines mobility scooters with its advanced all-weather design and eye-catching look. One of its standout features is the fully enclosed cabin. This provides excellent protection against rain, snow, and wind, ensuring a comfortable ride all year round. Powered by a strong 2,000-watt motor, the Tectus reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Its impressive range of 289 kilometers makes long-distance trips a breeze. The front opening cabin is not just for show, it adds a touch of luxury and makes getting in and out easy. Plus, the Tectus comes equipped with a safety lighting system, improving visibility whether you're on or off the road. With a weight of 225 kilograms, the Tectus has a sturdy build and a payload capacity of 175 kilograms, making it practical without sacrificing strength. Its spacious rear storage compartment also adds to its convenience, letting you carry what you need. Pudu D7. The Pudu D7 is a groundbreaking semi-humanoid robot developed by Pudu Robotics. It's designed to transform the service industry by blending advanced technology with a sleek, human-like design. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and AI, the D7 can easily navigate complex environments and interact with humans. It's ideal for use in places like restaurants, hotels, and hospitals. In these settings, it performs tasks such as delivering food, providing information, and assisting with patient care. With advanced voice recognition and natural language processing, the D7 ensures smooth communication. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to use. Priced around $45,000, the Pudu D7 offers a cost-effective and innovative solution for businesses looking to incorporate robotics into their operations. Suzuki Biplane. The Suzuki Biplane is a concept motorcycle that was first unveiled at the 2007 Tokyo Motor Show. Inspired by the thrill of open-air biplanes, this motorcycle delivers a futuristic and unique design. With its minimalist frame and V4 engine, the Suzuki Biplane is built to evoke a sense of freedom and excitement, similar to the feeling of flying. Its streamlined shape, combined with an open cockpit, offers an exhilarating and unconventional riding experience. Key design features include a single-sided swing arm, a low-slung seat, and large wheels. These give the bike an aggressive and bold stance. The handlebars are low and wide, designed to enhance the rider's control and comfort on the road. Although the Suzuki Biplane remains a concept and has not been mass-produced, it continues to capture the imagination of motorcycle enthusiasts. Its innovative design and bold aesthetics showcase Suzuki's vision for the future of motorcycles.
Racebird, the future of racing. Say hello to the Racebird, the world's first all-electric flying racing boat. Designed to dazzle in the E1 World Electric Powerboat series, this boat is a game-changer. With its sleek, futuristic look, the Racebird isn't just about style, it's built for performance. Thanks to advanced cooling and hydrofoil tech, it literally flies above the water, reducing drag and maximizing energy efficiency. Inside, the cockpit is inspired by race cars and features a high-tech battery from Crystal Electric with immersion cooling. This allows the race bird to hit speeds of up to 58 miles per hour and deliver a peak power of 150 kilowatts. It's set to revolutionize powerboat racing as we know it. Buckle up and get ready for an electrifying experience with the race bird. Volocopter 2X, the future of urban air travel. The Volocopter 2X is an innovative electric aircraft set to transform city transportation. With 18 rotors, it can take off and land vertically, making it convenient and environmentally friendly. Designed for comfort and capable of autonomous flight, it's redefining how we think about flying. This advanced aircraft will help reduce traffic and pollution, offering new possibilities like aerial taxis, cargo delivery, and even emergency services like medical transport and search and rescue. Whether you're commuting across the city or responding to an urgent situation, the Volocopter 2X is paving the way for a cleaner, faster, and more efficient mode of travel. Electric flight is no longer a dream, it's here, and the Volocopter 2X is leading the charge into this exciting new future.